Hello everybody, this is Dr. Thunder. Today, I would like to show you how to solve a US high school physics competition question. This is question number 6 of 2025 F equals MA exam. So we have a ball rolls without slipping down a ramp, which turns horizontal at the bottom. This is horizontal. At the bottom of the ramp, the ball falls through the air, as shown here. So if the ball starts from the position O here, it lands 10 centimeters away from the bottom of the ramp. So it lands 10 centimeters away. So we want to know at which starting point will the ball land closest to 25 centimeters away. So this is a relatively easy question. First, we assume that the vertical distance between two adjacent points here is lowercase h, and then we assume the distance from this the horizontal part of the ramp to the ground is capital H. So first we want to find out the time for the ball to drop from here to the ground, or we call it flying time. As we know, at the end of the ramp, it turns horizontal. That means when the ball is here, it has no vertical speed, but only the horizontal speed. So whatever the horizontal speed the ball has, it always spend the same time dropping from here to the ground. So the h we know is the v0t plus half g t squared. As we know, we're talking about the vertical direction here. So v0 is 0 because initially the ball is traveling along the horizontal direction. There's no vertical speed. So it's not difficult to figure out. TH is the time for the ball to drop from here to the ground. TH is 2h over g. Now we consider the case when the ball starts from the point O. So it's relatively simple because the vertical distance from O to the horizontal part of the ramp is h, lowercase h. So the potential energy convert to kinetic energy. So at this point, the speed of the ball is v0, which is equal to square root of 2gh. And then because it takes th for the ball to drop from ramp to the ground, so the distance it travels will be LO equal to v0th. That will give us 2 square root of capital H and lowercase h. Now we consider a second case that the ball will start from NH. NH means the vertical distance from here to the starting point is NH. So again, the potential energy convert to kinetic energy. So Vn will equal to square root of 2gnh, and then the horizontal traveling distance we define as lnh become Vn by th. That will give us 2 square root of capital H and lowercase h. So we know that as question says, LNH over LO is 25 centimeter over 10 centimeter, which gives 2.5. And then from these two equations, we know that LNH over LO is 2 square root of HNH over 2 square root of HH. So that gives square root of N. So N, because this equation equal to this equation, so N equals to 6.25. So this is closest to point A. So the final answer is A. Thank you for viewing. If you like my video, please comment, like, and subscribe.